Dosto, good morning. It's your host and host Arun once again with all of you with only one intention. And that intention is to see that you always stay inspired. You always keep on moving towards the attainment of your goals in life. Dosto, let's take one example. Suppose I ask you to imagine that you are standing beside a road and the road is full of moving cars and buses and bicycles and two-wheelers and trucks and so on and so forth. You're looking at all the vehicles. I do not tell anything to you. After 1 minute of you watching the movement of traffic on the road, I ask you one simple question. So the question is that you have to tell me the count of say blue color cars, the cars of blue colors which have moved past you on the road over last 1 minute. I'm pretty sure that you're going to struggle. Maybe you'll think of one car which was maybe blue or may not be blue. It was having the shade of blue, or maybe another cars, maybe one or two cars. Now that's the way it is going to happen. Now suppose I ask you once again to look at the moving traffic on the road. And this time I ask you to keep a count of red color cars. The cars which are of red colors. And then after 1 full minute, the moment you turn back towards me, I'm pretty sure you're going to tell me the exact count of red color cars which have traveled past you on the road. Maybe you may say that I have seen 7 red color cars or 10 cars of red color or so on and so forth. This is a very interesting exercise. The same you, the same road, the same environment, the same me, the same question, but the answer has changed completely. Your confidence has gone up drastically in the second case. Your count has become very confident and very clear in the second case. It was not the same way in the first case. Now, why did it happen? It happened because, friends, once you train your mind to look for something in the world, you start seeing more of that thing. And I'm pretty sure you might have seen some of my videos in the past in which I've given multiple examples of this thing happening. You see what you want to see, or you see what your brain is looking for. For example, the same example of a pregnant lady who has all of a sudden started noticing all the hoardings which are having the advertisement of baby related products. It's as simple as that. For example, a sports person always noticing hoardings which are having something to do with the sports. For example, a corporate person not being able to notice anything because a corporate person while going to the office is lost in the thoughts of the presentations to be made. That's what I've seen happening in corporates. That's a very sad reality of corporates. If you also are stuck in the same rut, think twice. Talk to me over a weekend, we shall discuss. Because then you're not leading a complete life. You're not a complete man. You're not a complete man. A complete man will enjoy working in the corporate, will make others working in corporates inspired, happier, more successful, absolutely more productive, and will also enjoy the company of his or her colleagues and also make the life of people at home happier. A complete man, in my opinion, will also make the life of neighbors and the community a little bit better. A complete man is not defined by the advertisement which is coming to your mind. Not at all. That was just a marketing gimmick. Marketing gimmick, absolutely. A complete man or a complete woman or a complete person in this world has got to add some value to the world. Coming back. So, we are taking the example of how people see what they want to see. In the second case, you had a goal very clearly defined by somebody like a coach or a mentor. Now, I'm not going to get into the discussion about coach or mentor. They are required to change your life. They are absolutely 100% required, and I've seen that in my case also. Now, coming back to this point. So, the lesson here is that once you train your mind to see something, you start seeing more of that thing in the same environment. And that's the reason it's important for you to set your goals. Set your goals. Very important for you is to set your goals. And once you set your goals, you will start seeing more of resources in the same vicinity of yours, which are going to help you in attaining your goals. But before you had set your goals, you were simply skipping all these resources, people, situations which would have helped you in attainment of your goals. Now that is the magic of this world. The goals could be set in a very simple way. You all have heard of SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound. R also stands for relevant. You can also make it smarter: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound, and then ER. E for enjoyable. It has to have some element of fun or enjoyment, and then it also has got to be rewarding. You must reward yourself once you attain any goal, even if it's a very small goal. Make it a habit. Make it a habit to celebrate the achievement of any goal in life. For example, you have decided to attain, say, 90% marks in the upcoming examination, or for example, if you are not doing pretty well in the examination, you have set a goal to attain, say, 70% marks, and at the moment you are getting, say, close to 60% or maybe 55%. The moment you attain 70%, must celebrate. Give a pat on your back, because nobody else is going to do that for you most often. Some people from your family or some good meaning, good intention, the neighbors may do so, or friends may do so, but not many people are going to do that. So it's also your responsibility, accountability, and duty to give a pat on your back. Celebrate each attainment of goal. Celebrate every success. Just like once I tell a kid or child to do something, and as a reward the kid is going to get what? His or her favorite chocolate. The chances are very high that the kid is going to do that task. That's because the kid has started looking at the reward. We all need rewards. When I write a book, I know that there is a reward in terms of people giving me very positive feedback about how their life has changed, and this is happening every single day. If you have yet not read any of my 3 books which have already been published, please do so. Please do so. I'm telling you, please do so. And I'm saying so with full conviction and confidence while keeping my hand here, because I know it's going to change your life forever. Each of the 3 books, just write down your goals following the tenets of SMARTER. And friends, once you have written your goals, you have been counted. You have started getting counted in top 3% of people who have written their goals, who have known their goals, who at least have thought about their goals, because 97% of people in this planet Earth do not know about their goals. उनकी जिंदगी एक ऐसे कार ड्राइवर की तरह है जिसको पता नहीं है कि पुणे से जाना कहाँ है उसको. वो पुणे से सांगली जा रहा है, या सतारा जा रहा है, या कोल्हापुर जा रहा है, या सोलापुर जा रहा है, या मुंबई जा रहा है, या माथेरान जा रहा है, या पंचगनी जा रहा है, महाबलेश्वर जा रहा है, या शिरडी के साई बाबा जा रहा है, या नागर रोड जा रहा है. उसे पता ही नहीं वो जा कहाँ रहा है, या नासिक जा रहा है. So unless you know whether you are going to Nashik or Satara, you can't be a successful driver. It's as simple as that. और दोस्तों, जिंदगी की यात्रा है, जिंदगी की यात्रा आपके जीवन की सबसे महत्वपूर्ण यात्रा, और आपने इस जिंदगी की यात्रा में अपने गोल सेट ही नहीं किए. प्रॉब्लम हो गया. ये तो बड़ी प्रॉब्लम की बात है. ये तो लोचा है. ये तो लोचा है. आपने सुना होगा केमिकल लोचा की बात है, तो जिंदगी का लोचा है बॉस. एंड आई कैन टेल यू, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर डूइंग दिस only. They are committing the same mistake. They do not have their goals written. You can write multiple goals. For example, you can write 3 or 5 goals. Each goal can be in different fields. For example, a goal could be in the field of your career. The second goal could be in the field of money. The third goal could be in the field of your relationships. Write down the goals. Write down the goals while keeping a SMARTER acronym in mind. And write down the goals in present tense. Present tense. One of the acronyms of a SMARTER is T, time bound. Make it very simple. Make it very time bound. For example, instead of saying that I want to become stronger, it's not measurable. It can't be measured. Write it as if I want to reduce 5 kgs of weight by 1st of January 2022. This is absolutely measurable. It is also time bound. It is very specific. And then also write in the same goal that on 1st of Jan 2022, when I achieve this goal, I'm going to celebrate this by doing this. Maybe you can take your family out on a trip. Maybe you can go to a 5-star hotel to have some nice, healthy and tasty meal as well. You can set a reward for you to attain the goal. So friends, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि ज़्यादा गोल लिखने के बारे में, टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में मत जाइए. Many people will talk about various templates of writing goals. The world is full of motivational speakers who are only talking about different templates, and everybody has got his own template which the person has got in his or her dream. Do not worry. Just write down a goal in present tense, present continuous tense. For example, you should write as if, wow, awesome, it's amazing, a feeling. Today is 1st of January 2022 and look what? I have attained my goal of reducing my weight by 5 kgs. I am feeling happier, leaner and lighter. I am feeling rejuvenated. I am getting compliments from my friends, from my family. I am feeling so good. Thank you so much, God, for making me attain this goal. Attitude of gratitude, right? You express your thankfulness to somebody. It can be a person also. And then write, okay, today I'm going to take my family for a drive to Lonavala and to eat my favorite some food, which should be tasty, which should be healthy as well, right? So this is just one example. Reward yourself. Set your goals, because once you set your goals, you will become a person, the same person who is standing beside that highway on which many cars, trucks, buses and two-wheelers are driving through, and you will be like the person in situation 2. You know what your goals are and you have started counting things, saying things which are going to help you in attaining your goals. It's going to happen because your mind is thinking about your goals. Your mind is thinking about the goals every time, and then you become a person who is focused on looking for friends who are going to help you in attainment of goals, looking for resources which are going to help you in attainment of goals, looking for things, looking for life situations which can be connected from the past to make you a successful person at present in the moment. This is going to happen. And friends, once again, once you write down your goals, you get counted in top 3% people on this planet Earth. But that is not sufficient, because you can write down your goals and you can still forget it. So read your goals every single day in the morning, maybe preferably in the morning, get some 5 to 10 minutes time. It won't take you more than that. Just read your goals. So this is my goal number 1, goal number 2, goal number 3. Sit in silence, meditate and think about the goals. Let it go. Let it seep into your subconscious mind. And then the magic happens. You become a person who not only has written the goals, which only top 3% people in this planet Earth, in this world do, but you also are the person who remembers all the goals by heart. That means you are in top 1% people on this planet Earth. Only 1% people on this planet Earth actually remember their goals by heart. And then what will happen is magic. The same person, the same road, like that example, is going to count many more things which are going to help you in you becoming a successful person. Train your mind for attaining what you want to attain. And then your focus increases, your concentration increases, and you become a person who is going to win over in life. Be a winner. Stay with me and do write your comments in the chat box below this video. Take care, stay blessed and have a great week ahead.